or any day that is good for us. But inshallah, in the next 30 minutes, we will be off for the program, inshallah, and we would have discussed a lot, inshallah. 20 to 30 minutes will be off for the program.
Inshallah, that is a very important and interesting topic for our brothers and sisters to know. I think that is one of my best topic when I was a student in a university. Business dealing, all this albay. I so much enjoying it very, very well. And today, when I see my brothers engaging in business activities doing the opposite, I will just be looking, and there is nothing you can do than to say no in your heart and allow them to go. May Allah forgive us all our shortcomings. Inshallah, brother, I promise we'll be coming around to give our own quarter, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan to each and every one of you. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.